Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the rest of the inside question answers from chapter 2 Atmosphere, the Reservoir of Air, class 7 EVS West Bengal Board. Let's start. We will start from question number 27. How is humidity and temperature interlinked? Humidity is dependent on temperature. Thus, when temperature is high, humidity is also high and vice versa. 28. What does temperature measure? The temperature of the atmosphere measures the intensity of heat and degree of coldness. Number 29. What is temperature measured in? Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Number 30. Why is temperature high in tropics and very low in polar areas? Temperature decreases from equator towards poles, so it is very high in tropics and very low in polar areas. 31. Why are the interior of land masses more hotter than the places near the sea coast? Temperature decreases with increase in altitude, so the interior of land masses more hotter than the place near the sea coast. Number 32. Bare lands heats up and cool down more rapidly than those with vegetation or water bodies. 33. What does general circulation of atmosphere refer to? General circulation of atmosphere refers to worldwide system of pressure and winds transporting heat from tropical to polar regions or globally. Number 34. Why? Which process operate in the atmosphere globally? The processes such as terrestrial radiation, conduction, convection, and heating and cooling operate in the atmosphere globally. 35. Why do any pollutants emit into the atmosphere is readily transported from one region to another? The general circulation of atmosphere operates through a system of pressure and winds which circulate rough the earth throughout the year. Thus, any pollutant emitted into the atmosphere is readily transported from one region to another. 36. Why is there more heat in the tropic and less heat in the polar regions? The winds transport heat from mud to high latitudes may cause more heating of the tropics may be dispersed to polar latitudes resulting in global warming. 37. Air, water and land are always in contact. 38. Which can cause atmospheric pollution? Water pollution and land pollution can ultimately cause atmospheric pollution. 39. Why or how do pesticides and fertilizers used in tropical countries harm to penguins who live in Antarctica? Under the influence of general circulation of atmosphere, not only warm air but also ocean currents travel poleward. The waste gases in the atmosphere and substances mixed in seawater also travel poleward. It is how pesticides and fertilizers used in tropical countries have traveled to Antarctica and caused harm to penguins who live there. 41. What has been often misunderstood about the concept of greenhouse effect? The concept of greenhouse effect often misunderstood that it applies only to consequences of atmospheric pollution. 41. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is a phenomena in which outgoing infrared radiation that would normally exit from Earth's atmosphere but instead is trapped or reflected because of the presence of the atmosphere and its components. 42. How does greenhouse effect enable the plants to photosynthesis. The greenhouse effect enables the plant's photosynthesis in following manner. Atmosphere absorbs gases, chiefly water vapor, carbon dioxide and ozone, which become available to inhabitants on Earth. Man is able to exploit these gases in atmosphere for commercial purposes. 43. What is counter radiation? Why is it called so? The absorption of gases by atmosphere is called counter radiation because the gases are radiated back to Earth. Number 44. Why is greenhouse effect is associated with atmospheric pollution? Waste gases create their own sinks and turbulence and may not be able to mix with the atmospheric gases. These gases tend to form their own layer at lower levels. They thus conduct their own greenhouse effect. 45. Which plays the key role in the global context? In the global context, general circulation of atmosphere plays the key role. 46. Which gases form acid rain? The burning of fossil fuels releases oxides of sulfur and of nitrogen into the air. These acidic gases combine with the moisture in the atmosphere to form acid rains. 47. What was happened during the time of Gulf War? During the time of Gulf War, snowfall received in Kashmir in India had a blackish color snow because of the smoke and dust particles raised in Iraq and Saudi Arabia from burning of petroleum wells, and traffic movement in the desert had raised pollutants in the air. 48. What do you mean by insolation? The incoming solar radiation as received at Earth's surface is known as insolation. Number 49. What is molecule? The smallest physical unit like atom or a gas molecule held in air is called molecule. Number 50. What is terrestrial radiation? The heat radiated from the Earth's surface is known as terrestrial radiation. Okay, so these are the total 50 inside question answers from chapter 2 Atmosphere, the Reservoir of Air, class 7 EVS West Bengal Board. That's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.